Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nikki Casey. I am a realtor in Colorado, and I've got a quick one here for you today. Today we are going to chat about how to sell your house fast in Denver. As always, before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a video from me. And let's get right into it. If you're thinking about selling your house this year, then make sure to stick around. All right, number one. Make your house look the best it can possibly look. Before you're listing your house, make sure that it's in tip-top condition, or at least the best condition that it can be. This means everything from cleaning, decluttering, making any sort of repairs that maybe need to be done, and also staging if you can. The whole goal is to make it as attractive as possible to potential buyers. Second step, use professional photography. There is absolutely nothing worse, I've said it before, than having a beautiful home and then having photos taken with an iPhone or having somebody standing in a mirror with their camera. I mean, it just doesn't look good. Invest in the photos. You will absolutely thank me later. Step 3, market your home. Reach out to your network, have open houses, network to everyone you possibly can. You want to spread the word that your house is on the market. Step 4 is to prepare your listing. So this is making sure that you have an accurate description. You have those photos like I've talked about before, because you're going to want to upload all of these things to real estate websites and different platforms to make sure that people can find you. Another important tip is to make sure that you are flexible. When your house is on the market, you can have somebody that wants to come see it at a moment's notice. Honestly, it can happen very quickly. So you need to be flexible to be able to get out of there, make sure that the house is clean beforehand. You want it to appeal to the buyers whenever possible. The more accommodating a seller is, the more likely a buyer would buy. And if you want to know the true secret to selling your house fast, it's hire a real estate agent. Hire an agent who's familiar with the area and they can help you navigate the entire home selling process. We can help you with marketing, pricing, negotiation. So if any of that sounded overwhelming for you, it's because it is, and it's our job to take that stress off of you. These tips can help you get your house in front of as many buyers as possible and get it sold quickly. Keep in mind also that the time of year that you're looking to sell is going to play a big factor in this too. So that's why having that agent on your side who can help guide you through it is so important. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this was a quick one, but it's an easy one to get out there and give you some tips and tricks to help you sell your house if you're looking to. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. You can also contact me directly. My email is going to be in the description box as always. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.